Here's some big news coming in. Mumbai cops have now recorded the statement of Sameer Wankhede, the zonal director of the NCB. He's now given his statement. It's been recorded. Cops initiate an inquiry into Wankhede's caste certificate. In fact, Wankhede has been accused of using fake caste certificate to get a government job. Remember, Sameer Wankhede is in the eye of the storm after several allegations were levelled by Nawab Malik on his credibility, on his past, the way he got a civil services job, how he managed to allegedly use a fake caste certificate to find his way through in the civil services. These are allegations that have been made. Mumbai cops now probing the matter, record his statement. The cops initiate inquiry into Wankhede's caste certificate, which he is accused of using fake caste certificate to get a government job. Mustafa, for more on that. Mustafa, take us through exactly what Sameer Wankhede's statement has been recorded. We understand. Do take us through exactly what was the line of questioning at that point. Any idea on the allegations that Nawab Malik has made on the caste certificate? Has that been established by the police as yet or not?
Well, in the start, Nawab Malik had made allegations that Sameer Wankhede had done a nikah, and nikah happens only between Muslims. So Nawab Malik had said that he was a Muslim, and later he took a caste certificate and then applied for the services job. In that, the commission for STSC had issued a notice to the Mumbai police saying that they have received a complaint from Sameer Wankhede's father, and the commission had asked Mumbai police to inquire in the matter and file a report within 6 days. So it looks like that it is in this matter that the Mumbai police is inquiring, and they have recorded Sameer Wankhede's statement as to what submission they has to make and what statement he has to give. What will be interesting is what will be Mumbai police's reply to the STSC commission regarding Sameer Wankhede's caste status. That would be an important point, because if he is having a validity of the caste which he belongs to, then there is action likely by Nawab Malik for the Atrocities Act, and if not, then Sameer Wankhede will be in trouble. We'll have to wait and see what reply is filed by the Mumbai police. But yes, in this regard, in the entire inquiry, Sameer Wankhede's statement has been recorded by Mumbai police regarding his caste status. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Mustafa, for joining us with those details. Sameer Wankhede is said to have recorded his statement in that case. Mumbai police now further investigating the matter.